Although many Chicagoans were warned in advance about the blizzard that'd be hitting their local area, some seemed surprised by the amount of snow, which accumulated to about 20 inches in some areas. Besides the mess of Lakeshore Drive, the other biggest issue they faced was how to drive their car through the piles of snow, or how to even get their car unburied, since many side streets weren't plowed for days. Some even took the liberty of shoveling out their own cars while children just enjoyed themselves in this winter wonderland.